Here's I will show you how to make your Premiere Pro run faster. So the first option is we have to clear our media cache file. So from your Premiere Pro, go to Edit, hover over on Preferences, and here open Media Caches, and here click on Delete Unsaved, delete your cache file. And here, if you want to automatically delete your media cache files, you can just select any of this option and then click on OK. And the second method is you have to enable GPU acceleration. To do that, from your project, click on File, click on Project Settings, and click on General. Here we can see the render option. Click on this drop down, and here we have to select Mercury Playback Engine GPU acceleration, and then click on OK. And the third method is you have to change your playback. So click here and you can select this option, or you can select this option. And note, this doesn't affect export quality, just preview speed. Now you can go ahead and run your Premiere Pro faster, just like this.